final words of wisdom from Malibu. We've got the smile on Matty's face. I mean, I think he misses it every now and then. At least he's here. He's part of the Summernats. Make a bit of noise for Shittorquer. Moisture falling from the sky there. And don't forget, our merchandise is open if you get wet today. We've got a spare shirt for you. Well, we're fine, because they run out every year. Every year's the same story. When they're on Friday morning, and the size.
Hey, no, I said that very much. Here's the thing, folks. You've got to be able to get something like that. Again, one of our wild cards.
There's smoke everywhere, but the wine has gone down and the noise has stopped. The smoke will clear all our officials there very quickly. He's already facing us, but they've got out super quick. Big cubes on that too, just over 420 cubes on this blown LS combination car.
It was very tickly though to hear that wine. I did like the wine.
So you know with wine cars, if you get the wine, they're facing it, the exhaust, they're facing away from you. It does look judging quite a bit too. When I'm judging, they're being very judgy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all part of the experience when you're watching it, isn't it? It's not like, it's not just about what you see out there, it's not a visual thing. Imagine if we had burnouts with no sound.
One of the things I love about burnouts is it's not as simple as looking at a stopwatch and saying, well, that's the time, so that's the winner. As you do a drag race, this is everyone in the crowd out there will have a different opinion of who should be in the top 10 and who should win and who did the best skit. And it's all based on what we love. And I love drag racing.
I'm an NA guy, I like NA all the way, you know. But
that's the only whining I want to be.